These are always popular here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1973 Buick Electra 225 custom two-door hardtop. The famous deuce and a quarter. Believed to be original mile car. Odometer shows 26,779 at the moment. 455 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Let's take a look at this chrome up front, headlights, surrounds, grille, of course the Buick hood ornament. Paint color on this car, green, gold, metallic, paint coat of 46. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Radial tires, dated 2023, so newer radial tires, white walls. See the Buick Motor Division wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Now, as far as the paint goes, there's a few spots where you might have a touch-up here or there, maybe a little imperfection. So is it perfect? No. Does it still show very well? Absolutely. Black vinyl interior, bench seat up front. And it is a trim coat of 638, so that's the way this car would have been produced back in 1973. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer. Black vinyl top. It's also the way this car would have came. Few little wear spots on that bottom, but overall vinyl top also shows well. Check out the fender skirts, and again, maybe just a little nick or a touch up here or there. Be one of those cars, fun to drive. You know how this thing goes down the road. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few just little small dings in the trunk. Take a look at the chrome and the rear bumper. Check out in the still pictures, there will be some kind of paraphernalia, memorabilia, I guess, if you will, that will go along with this too, for any car shows you'd want to go to or display purposes, anything like that. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, a few things the technicians noted when they went through this car. I mentioned the AC blows cold, heater blows hot. It does have an aluminum radiator that has been added. We're going to check out when we pop the hood. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. New front brake hoses, and the brakes are 100% in the front, 80% in the rear. I mentioned the tires. Big coated 2023, so those are newer also. A couple little corrosion spots on that rear quarter. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you can't make it to see this one yourself, you want somebody to come take a peek at it, not a problem. Little discoloration on the paint there. Yeah, a little touch up. But you can see there's not a bunch of rust around the wheel wells, lower rockers. And in those still pictures, you're going to be able to see the floor pans, undersides, trunk. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. We do have power windows over here. Power seat control in the door. The black vinyl, free of any really rips, tears, holes, any major wear. Headliner's in nice shape. tilt column. And there's what the odometer reads right now, 26,779. Again, believe to be original miles. I can't confirm or deny that because once a vehicle's a certain age, that title on them is marked exempt and the miles are not recorded. All right, 455 firing up. Of course, the climate control over here, AC and heat. AM, FM, 8-track. Find the station's decent here. Top of the dash, looking good. Stereo working. Let this warm up just a little bit. Appears the fuel gauge went up there also. Looks like that's working fine. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pretty quiet, 455. Sounds pretty good. Let me slip up to the front. We got a big hood to open here. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take both hands. Let me get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around video and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Looks like a newer master cylinder back here. Again, 455 4-barrel. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. I mentioned the aluminum radiator, practically new. AC's been converted to the 134. Nice, clean, tidy looking engine bay. Smooth running 455. 1973 Buick Electra 225 custom 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around just a bit more. Jason will take it for a drive for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
On this foggy day, we're driving a 1973 Buick Electra. And there's some dampness in the air, a little bit of dampness on the hood, but we can still do driving video for you. This is a very nice car. It shows low miles on the odometer, and it feels like low miles. The dashes aren't near perfect. The steering wheel, the seats. This is quite nice Buick. Factory stereo is working. The heater's blowing on low right now on this cool day in Minnesota. The wipers work. However, our speedometer has not moved. The odometer is moving. Our fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank. This is an automatic on the column, so it's super easy to drive. One of the coolest horns. Look at that steering wheel. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that steering wheel. This horn button with the Buick insignia. Pretty rare setup as far as not too many cars had a horn that looked like that. And the wood grain, very 1973. The beginning of the wood grain era, maybe? What do you think? Brakes work very nicely, of course. Excellent power steering from Buick. Nice looking headliner and carpet corners very smoothly and doesn't lean as much as you might think for a big Buick. Kickdown works as it should on that automatic transmission. Multi-position power driver's seat is working as it should as well. Take a look at all the pictures of this 73 Buick at uniqueclassiccars.com.